So I just wanted to record this quick video to show this is the medical detectives class, the electrophoresis gel from Carolina, and these are the 4 different samples, and like they get jostled like this. So I don't know if you can zoom in on the video to show how it's like not really. Can you see that on the video? You don't have to zoom, just move the camera. There you go. See how you can barely see it in there? Okay, so they had suggested using a centrifuge, but in a middle school we don't have a centrifuge. So I made this little guy. It's not my unique idea, but I did 3D print or design the little spinner and 3D printed it. So basically it's acting as a centrifuge. Okay, now we should be able to see, it should have, yep, all the little DNA is at the end. And if it's got a little bit there, you just kind of tap it down, and then there you go. Same one. Let's check all 4 of them. Yep, same thing here. And that last little thing when it hit the table, that's really what kind of jostled it. But it keeps them all in big little globs. So, or big little globs. That's funny, right? In globs. So there you go. So there it is. All right, so all 4 are easy to load your pipette tips, so that you can then put them into the well. All right, this is going to be available. I'll make sure that you can get it so you can print it. And this is just some string. You run through it, and then you saw how it works. Cool.